Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the S-Craft keycap holders. So S-Craft is a company that makes artisan keycaps, specifically for like Pokemon. So they made this Gengar. I got this a few years back for one of their drops. And now they pivoted to doing keycap holders in the shape of Pokeballs. And this one specifically is the shape of a Master Ball. Look at that. And I got the edition where when you open it, it lights up. So if I just put my little Gengar keycap here, that's awesome. I ordered this in April and they finally got shipped. And so their next drop is going to be releasing September 6th. They're going to be releasing keycaps featuring Groudon and Kyogre. Be sure to check it out. I'll put the links down below.